Hi, the topic of this video is sexting part 2. I'm Erin Zettle. I'm a Family Literacy Center board member and a licensed attorney in the state of Michigan. I practice criminal law. We're creating these informational videos to help inform our students about certain legal issues. This legal advice is very general. It isn't addressing any specific legal problem. It's also valid as of December of 2023. Laws change all the time. This is a second part of the sexting video. So, in the first part of the video, we had a young woman sending 4 naked pictures to her boyfriend. So why is this relevant? Why would you get caught? How would anyone know this? This is why it's relevant. Because if this young woman later gets pulled over and the police think that she was texting while she was driving, the police get to look at her phone. If she's in an accident, the police get to look at her phone. If they then find these images, she could be charged with this felony offense. So we have 2 problems. 1, it's a felony offense, which means that she could be charged with this felony offense and then become a felon for the rest of her life. 2, she could be placed on the sex offender registry. 3, we have another problem, and that is that she sent these pictures to her boyfriend. It's her boyfriend now. But as we all will learn as we grow up, your high school boyfriend is not necessarily your boyfriend forever. What if he sends these pictures to 4 of his friends? Well, then he's also guilty of 4 counts of delivery and manufacture of child sexually abusive material. What if those friends send them out? What if those friends post them online? We recently had a fairly large arrest through the ghost unit of the Genesee County Police Department of a man who worked with children, and he was arrested with over 200,000 images of child pornography. Her picture could end up on his computer. It's very easy. It happens all the time. So, kind of the long and short of it is, even if you are able, legally of the age, to engage in sexual intercourse with another person, you're both 16, you're both 17, you're able to see each other naked. Trust me, this is uncomfortable for me to talk about too. Even if you're able to see each other naked, you cannot take pictures of each other. And don't think like, oh, I'm 17 now, but I'm about to be 18 and then it won't be illegal. It's still illegal if you were 17 at the time the pictures were taken, or she was under the age of 17, or he was under the age of 17 when the pictures were taken. The statute of limitations on these crimes is very long. Also, look guys, these pictures, they last forever. Don't just think, oh, I'll delete them and it'll be fine. I've gotten Verizon subpoenas from 5 years ago with hundreds of thousands of images. So what do we do if you find these images on your phone? Delete them now. Just delete them now. Wait until after you're 18 to send each other naked pictures. It's fine. Your stuff will all be there. And when you're 18, you can send pictures later. Send them later, okay? Don't risk this stuff now. One more thing. You can be charged federally for this. It doesn't matter if you took the pictures in the state of Michigan, sent the pictures in the state of Michigan, everybody was in the state of Michigan. Because you use the internet, which is considered kind of a federal jurisdiction, you can be charged federally for these crimes. And you can be charged federally as well as by the state. You can get double hit for these. So, moral of the story is, number 1, don't take pictures of your junk or anyone else's junk. Number 2, if you have pictures of anyone else's junk or your junk, delete them now. And number 3, even after you turn 18, don't send unsolicited pictures of your junk to anyone at any time. That's it. So, wrapping up, here's another standard lawyer disclaimer. This isn't specific legal advice. If you have a legal problem, please consult an attorney. A lot of lawyers have free consultations.